How to set up a follow button on your Facebook profile. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily set up a follow button right beside your name on Facebook. Now let's just jump right in. First thing you want to do over here is head over to your profile. Now let me just quickly get over here, and then if I just tap on the three dots and then tap on view as, I'm able to see what people will see. As you can see, they will not see an option to send me a friend request, but a follow button. Now, in order to be able to do this, you can either turn on professional mode on your profile, or if you want a follow button, even if you don't have a professional mode, tap on the three dots at the top left, go to settings and privacy and open settings. Now, once you open up your settings menu, you need to find a section called how people can find you. Now from your settings menu, scroll down until you find audience invisibility and then tap on how people can find and contact you. Now under here, if you set this, who can send you friend requests, if you set this to everyone on and off Facebook will be able to send you friend requests and they'll find the add friend button right beside your profile. But if you just set this to friends of friends, the public view cannot add you as their friend, and then you'll find a follow button right beside your profile. Tap on the save at the bottom and you'll be good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.